everybody, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today's a long-awaited video. We're back on the 63. I've got the front fenders, as you can see right here, the driver's side and the passenger side, that are unfinished because I had to put them back on so we can make the move cross country. And now it's finally time, after a year of being here, to go ahead and take them off, clean them up, get them ready for paint them, put them back on. And it's going to take a little bit. I got to take off the cowl here, this one here, to get to the bolts behind it, and then I got to loosen up the front bumper and get the other stuff off of there. But it's a start. Hey, we're gonna get back to it. Let's get this truck finished finally. Come on. I've been lagging quite a bit. Most of it's pure laziness, lack of motivation. I gotta be in the mood, and I just haven't been in the mood. But also too, because I've been trying to get a lot of the property which we moved into organized and in a position where it's low maintenance now. There was a lot of stuff I had to do around the yard and the pasture and all that and everything, cutting in a lot of trimming trees, removing trees, getting the lawn where I want it, getting all the shrubs and everything to the point where I want. And like I said, now it's all low maintenance, so now hopefully I can get motivated and let's get this truck done. Alright, so for today's video, we're just going to go ahead and remove the passenger side and the driver's side, put them on, get them on the sawhorses, and sand them down and paint them. Alright, so let's without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, we got our 1/2-inch wrench. Let's get started. Okay, yeah, I'll have to look for that one a little later. Didn't see where it fell. Apparently, wouldn't you know it, you always lose that one. Oh well, I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. Oh well, either way, we'll find it. All right, there we go. It's off. Now I need to get my little sawhorses and put these on there. So, get down here real quick. Alright, so as you can see, this one's actually the aftermarket Fender. Alright, because the other one, the original one, was literally like sliced right across there. They must have caught a fence post or something. And this one's already been primered, but of course I'm going to sand it down some more and redo it because it's been banged up and everything else during the move and the storage. And then it's already undercoated. I already got it. That's still looking pretty good. I don't think I need to touch that up any. So really it's just resand it, get it all nice and cleaned up, and repaint it. All right, so I'm gonna go. Can't even see me. Let me. There we go. All right. Whew. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one off camera. Take really, Fernando. I'm gonna take the other fender off while off camera, and when everything's all taken care of, we'll put you back on. All right. All right. So now that we got the fenders off and everything, like I said, I took the driver's side one off, off camera, so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me struggle with taking the fenders off and everything. But let me show you. Let me take the camera off of the tripod and show you what we got going on here. All right. Now that I got the screen turned around, let me show you here. First of all, let's go over here. This is the passenger side one. This is the aftermarket. All right, it's got its scratches and stuff. That'll be buffed out, or sanded out, I should say. It's an aftermarket. It's already been undercoated and everything. I just got to resand it and reprimer it. So no biggie on that one. It's all there. The driver's side one, though. All right, this is the underbody of it. See all this right here that's rusted? That's going to be my challenge. I got to replace that. Okay, sand it all down, recoat it, undercoating, because this is the original undercoating and it's like practically all gone. A lot of rust. Looks good though underneath there, everything. The back side, the front side, I should say. Let me see if I can flip this over without killing myself. Here, let's put this down here real quick while I flip it over. All right. Okay, so anyways, here we got, this is usually where you get a lot of rust. And there's those little holes, you could see through it, see? But that is very minimal. I mean, we're talking about maybe a little 4-inch square right there. Okay, of course the emblems, clean up the rust and stuff on there. But the rest of it, it's in really, really good shape. All right, this is just minor surface rust. Small dent right here, but I can take care of that no problem. Okay, and then here where you would normally see a lot of rust, also because of where it gathers up, nothing. Looks good, looks good. So anyways, let me flip this back over again. because I want to show you guys what we got going on. Alright, so I got this flipped over again, and let me show you what I got for it. I'll put this on here. Alright, so again, all this is rusted out. I got to take it out, put the new one on. Alright, here's the new piece. Alright, LMC, thank you. So that'll be replaced, put right here. Alright, but there's also this other secondary piece right here that's held by these little rivet looking things that I have to separate from this. Alright, this doesn't have the holes for it, so I have to punch the holes for that. Okay, but there's these little rivet looking things. Alright, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and those have to go through here somehow. Okay, of course I got to dig holes, drill some holes and stuff, and that'll hold this other piece on there. And then there's this rubber stuff that now it's like leather. It's kind of weather stripping right here, this black one right here. Alright, that, hold on just a sec. Put this back in the bag so I don't lose it. Yeah. So anyways, that's this right here. Alright, two pieces, and that's just that rubber like stripping that goes here, and those got to be fastened down, so got to do that. And I'm not sure, but I think I got to put this piece on the other fender too. Let me see. No, that one has it on there already. But let me show you this. All right, so this is the original passenger side fender, and as you can see, yeah, that thing, they must have caught a fence post or something on the wrench and just literally sheared it almost literally in half. All right, but once this is all said and done, truck's ready and running, and I don't have to deal with it no more, I'm going to try to fix this just for practice and, to say at least I tried. Okay, but I do have to remove that couple of pieces here off of this. Okay, as with the other fender, I still got to remove this piece here. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. And this rubber piece, okay, that's got to come off. This metal piece has to come off, and I got to staple it back onto, or tack it on to the new fender, to the aftermarket fender. So that's that. But anyways, that's what we're going to be dealing with now. Go ahead and get these fenders fixed, cleaned up, painted, put back on, and that'll be another one crossed off the list. So anyways, this will be it for this video. I'm just showing you what I got going on and where I'm at now. Finally getting back into a 63, getting it finished. And yeah, so anyways, thank you for following me, for all of you who subscribed and hit a like at least. But second video, we're going to be tearing into this Fender and getting it back put back together and cleaned up. All right, so y'all have a great day now, and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.